So here we have the Ford Transit Custom on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you in the back of the van, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As we approach the back of the van, you can see we have reversing sensors. It's all been ply lined, as you can see. We also have that full metal bulkhead and sliding side door access here as well. Okay, now that we're inside the van, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side with the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges, and above that the main screen, which includes the total miles for the car. They are 9,816. We have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed in that section. You can change that information by using buttons on the steering wheel for various bits of trip computer and car information, and the button in question is just here. We then have stereo controls and phone controls beneath that. Stereo controls continue on the left, along with cruise control and speed limiter as well. Over in the centre, we then have the touchscreen for the car. So, firstly, this is where you pay your phone. Hit Add Phone.
Search for Ford Transit on your device and select Ford Transit once it is found.
Just follow the instructions on screen from there. We can come back to the home screen. This is also then where you can access your music, of course. So we have AM, FM and DAB radio. Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as making and receiving phone calls, of course. And there are two separate USB inputs. One just here with a 12-volt charging socket, and the other beneath the stereo down here. If you plug those in, they'll appear up on here as further options for you. We then have the air conditioning for the vehicle. So fan speed is adjustable here, temperature on this dial, direction of the air with the buttons here. When you're happy with those settings, that button will turn your air conditioning on and back off again. We have heated mirrors, a heated front screen, heated driver seat and heated passenger seat as well. And then finally, a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the van for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.